Hello and welcome to day 12 of 12 days of holiday tapping. We made it. Thank you so much for tapping with me in the past 12 days. Merry Christmas. I know that if you've been tapping with me for the past 12 days, if we've been doing this together, you have experienced a massive energy shift. And I know that you're going to have the best holiday season ever, the best Christmas day ever. And you have basically shifted your energy and your frequency going into the new year. So today, the last day of holiday tapping, we are going to remind ourselves that our dreams are possible. Whatever that we are envisioning, whatever that we want to manifest in 2025, today we're going to remind ourselves that we have the ability to manifest whatever that we desire, no matter how big it is, no matter how unrealistic it seems. Today is all about bringing that confident energy into 2025. And I think today we're just gonna go straight into the eyebrow point, okay? Like we're already in that state of joy and abundance. So we're just going to amplify those feelings. So whenever you're ready, let's start tapping on the eyebrow point. I've been tapping for the past 12 days. And it's been amazing. It's taught me that I'm worthy of miracles, that I'm capable of letting love, joy, and abundance into my life. I guess it's true. Miracles are meant for me. Abundance is my natural state. I am a being of love. Magic is real because I exist. I am magic. So today I'm just reminding myself further that miracles happen for me all the time. Abundance flows into my life all the time. There's so much to be grateful for in my life. The universe is so abundant, and there's more than enough for me. I continue to receive miracles in every area of my life. Everything I need and desire flows to me easily. I am so aligned with the energy of abundance and joy. I'm excited to receive miracles every day now. I'm grateful for all the miracles unfolding in my life now. I trust in the infinite possibilities of the universe. I'm surrounded by love and abundance every single moment. I feel the joy of receiving all that I have asked for. I'm so grateful for the blessings I have already received. Life is so magical. I'm so lucky to be living this life. And I'm so excited for what's to come. 2025 is going to be incredible for me. I can feel it. I'm already in the vortex of love, abundance, and gratitude. And I know so much more will open up for me in the new year. I believe in myself. Success is inevitable for me. I'm ready to step into more love and abundance in 2025. Maybe a part of me feels scared, feels like it's impossible, but that's okay. I honor all these feelings, and I'm ready to let all the doubts go. I'm ready to align with abundance. I am so worthy of success. 2025 is my year to thrive. I choose to take inspired action towards my goals. I feel love, joy, and abundance flowing into my life easily. Whew. All right. Thank you so much for tapping with me the past 12 days. I'm going to do more of these tappings in the coming year, in the new year. I would love to create more of these 7, 10, 12-day tappings because they are just amazing to shift your energy. And what I love about tapping is when you stay in that container, in that momentum of energy, I mean, like, things can happen for you so quickly and you can manifest really quickly as well. And I'm sure that you felt that in the past 12 days. So I want to create more of this. So please let me know what kind of support you need. I would love to do more and support more of you in 2025. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. I love you guys so much. I just want to say thank you too if you're watching this on TikTok. At the time of this recording, I have 77,000 followers, and that is insane. Like last year, I told myself that I would manifest 50,000 this year, and yeah, I've like exceeded that goal. So thanks to tapping and manifesting, but thank you so much. Thank you guys. It's just an honor to do this work and to serve so many of you. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.